Hello, this is Elijah again, coming at you with 3 trades today that I made, and I guess patience is the key. That's what we learned today. So let's start off with PayPal. PayPal looked like, right here, it's a nice hammer. Didn't really follow through, but I guess you could say this is another hammer. But at any rate, it seems to be forming some sort of bottom here. So I thought, it looks like it'd be good to go long. It went up, sold off a bit. I thought here is a great place to go long. My only problem was I didn't wait for the pullback, and it just retested down here. So I went long up here, immediately got stopped out. So, but yeah, it would have been a great trade had I waited, had I been patient. Next trade we go to is Apple. Same sort of deal here. I tried to go long here. I got stopped out. I was like, it's going down, which it wasn't. It was just, about to come back up. So here I saw it testing the VWAP. Got in, partialed a little bit. Here's where I thought, okay, this is where the real magic happens. Moving averages crossing over to VWAP, but it didn't pop like I thought it would. So I got impatient and got out. But again, patience is the key. Now I think Apple's way up there. And last trade I wanted to go over is QCOM. QCOM seemed to gap down a bit, but it was really strong. And it seemed to be going down. Once it got under these moving averages, I shorted. Got a nice entry. I'm happy with this trade. I mean, I could have waited. Could have got better, could have closed all down here, but I saw this moving average right here, so I didn't want to get near that. But yeah, that's about it for today. Thank you, and good luck or good skill in trading. Thank you.